Good morning guys, welcome to another video by Antiquesarena. My name's Walter Neal and today we're going to have another car boot sale haul. Car boot sale haul, well, I go around car boot sales, auction houses, very rare, house clearance, antique fairs and so forth, and I have a lot of stuff brought to me over the door. I filter what I want then either goes for sale in my shop or on eBay, and some of it ends up back at car boot sales. I then film everything I get so you get to see what I bought. Don't always make money on it, but you get to see what I bought. And I got a nice little selection for you for today. And well, let's get started, shall we? We'll start off with an ashtray. Not the most collectible thing in the world anymore. Smoking is very taboo, but won't be long. There'll be no smokers left, and it will be a very collectible item. Now this one's advertising as well. And it's quite nice because it's the red tyre, not the black tyre. And it is for Newmont, made in GDR, whatever GDR is, I'm not 100%, but either way, we have a proper tyre, if you like, red tyre, advertising ashtray. Now, I actually paid either £4 or £5, I think it was a £5 for this. All the stock in today's video has come from gelligear car boot sale, but it hasn't come recently. Gelligear was cancelled last weekend, and it's going to be cancelled this weekend because of rain. This is the backlog of stock I've had that I haven't been able to film. That's all been out my back room for the last 3 weeks or so. So I'm slowly but surely working my way through all the backlog of stock I've had waiting to be filmed. So we've got a really nice ashtray, glass in the centre, nice tyre, advertising, lovely colour. Once I clean that, I'd say about 20 quid. So that's 3-4 times my money if I get 15-20 quid, but I shouldn't struggle to get 20 quid. On the black ones, they're about a tenner. But being that it's a red one in nice condition, I'd think about 20 quid, to be honest with you guys. So that was alright. Next, I have a selection of these. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 6. Now I know you're thinking, what are they? Well, I'm going to show you now. They're all little porcelain fairies, and they're all produced by Royal Dalton, and they are look at that, Royal Dalton, made in Thailand. That's terrible. Royal Dalton was always an English porcelain, English ceramics. Do we not keep anything in the country anymore? Anyway, I bought a collection of them. They're all different fairies, and for £2 each. I think he actually gave me the 6 of them for a tenner, if I remember right. And it was from one of the gentlemen I buy up there regular. I have a lot of jewellery off him. He actually holds his jewellery for me because I pay his full asking price. Now he's not expensive. He'd pull out silver chains and bracelets and that, £2 each across the board pretty much. Sometimes £3 if it's really nice. And you'll have other dealers here and members of the public going, oh, take £1 for that, take 50p for that. And he'd get quite frustrated and he'd tell them all to bugger off, and I'd just go, I'll take it all. I don't even knock them on the price, I just take it all. Anyway, the fairies, probably about £8, maybe £10 each. That's what I'm guessing they're worth in the shop. They're decorative, they're boxed, they're Royal Dalton, about £8 to £10 each. So there's got to be 50-60 quid by there for a tenner outlay. So again, not a bad little income. You have to excuse the sniffing, I'm full up with a cold. One of the joys of working for yourself, guys, if you're not well, you still got to work. Now these I've had for, I'd say 6 weeks, 5-6 weeks. Been a long time waiting to be filmed. Look at the state on it. Now I'm going to have to clean the box up. It will clean once it has a bit of a wash. But wait till you see what's inside. Doesn't look much still. Wait a minute. Let's get one out. These are a pair of the finest French crystal salts, table salts, you can ever hope to get. They're produced by Dom, and they are signed. Bear with me. Where is it? There they are. Signed there. Both of them are signed Dom, France. So we got an absolutely astonishing pair of French Dom crystal salts, table salts. Now you wouldn't think you can get a piece of Dom like that in gelligear car boot sale for £3. Absolutely beautiful. Now I haven't looked online, so I may be out slightly on the price, but I think they're worth 30 quid of anybody's money. I'll clean the box up, I'll clean the salts up, and they'll take pride of place in a cabinet for a little while for 30 quid. And if they don't sell, they'll end up on eBay for 30-35 waiting for an offer. Stinking dirty, but you know what? Absolutely beautiful and top quality. Really, really nice. And what a name, Dom. You ain't going to get a better name than that. Well, you will, I suppose, in the leak and things, but really, really nice. Absolutely love them. Next piece isn't going to be everybody's cup of tea. We have some real butterflies. And we have a sunset moth from Malaysia. They must both be sunset moths. Look at the colouring on them. I don't know if you can see it. They're quite beautiful. How do I know what they are? Because the details are on the back. I'm not, is it ornithologist or was that birds? Well, either way, I'm not an expert in butterflies by any means. So here we go. Everything I need to know is on the back. Oh, the top one is Argin is Papia from Japan. On the bottom one's a sunset moth. I can actually read sunset moth. Anyway, they cost me £1. Two real moths, beautifully framed up, absolutely beautiful items. I see them at about 15-20 quid for £1. They're different, they look amazing, and they're going to look lovely in the shop. So I'll probably go 22 to be honest with you, and see how I go, because they really are nice and they're in lovely condition. So really nice item again. I've still got a star lot to show you, which I'll get to in just a minute. A Jayco building blocks. So we got really nice Jayco building blocks. Now I haven't looked on the age of this, but I'd probably think 60s, 50s at a guess. Could be a bit earlier, could be a bit later. But either way, we got the maker's name here. It looks complete. Somebody has drawn on some of them. It's always the same, always the case. They don't have any instructions in there, which is a shame, but what a nice quirky item. Cost me £4, and again I rate that about £20-25. Just look nice in the cabinet, building blocks. It's just something different. I don't want run-of-the-mill ceramics, run-of-the-mill glass all the time. I will buy it to a degree, and if the price is right, but I want, when they come in my shop and walk over my door, I want it to be, oh, that's different, I haven't seen that before, that looks nice, that's an unusual shop. That's where I want their memory to be when they walk out here. Either happy, I played with that as a kid, or Nanny used to have that. But the upshot is, the ultimate goal when they walk out here is they actually talk about the shop to other people and say, wow, what an interesting, unusual and beautiful shop. That's what I want. Then word of mouth gets around. Final piece for today's video, guys. I know what you're thinking. A clothes brush. Or hairbrush, whatever you want to call it. It might be hairbrush. Either way, a brush. Now, it's not just a brush, it's solid silver. Alright, you're thinking, fine, it's a tenner. No. We'll start off showing you the pattern. Let's see if anybody guesses where it's come from first. If you think you know where this has come from before I show you, you leave a comment. Let me know if you managed to get it. Look at that scene. very typical scene. The brush is in beautiful, look at that, practically unused condition. It's supposed to be angled down like that. I've had an eyeglass on it. There's no bends or creases. That is the way it's done. Obviously, probably easier to hold in your hand. Scene is really nice. It's hard to describe, to be honest with you. I think you've got some sort of tavern scene here. Somebody's being carried off drunk in a wheelbarrow there. It's a really unusual scene. Anyway, you see if I can wipe that a bit and you can see where it's from. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. Made in Denmark. Well, it doesn't say made in Denmark, it just says Denmark with a few other letters. So, let me have a quick look. Well, it's got what looks like a JHSG and then Denmark. So I'm going to have to look up the maker. I haven't looked it up yet. This cost me £3 in gelligear car boot sale. Alright. So, retail wise, could be anything from £40 to £100 depending on who's made it. It's in lovely condition. I'll give it a clean, and that's an eBay item without a doubt. So I'm really pleased, super happy, and what a star item to have to finish the video. So anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a little look at a few items. I've got loads more stored out the back, so even though I won't be out buying this week, I've still got plenty to make whole videos. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, which is your favourite, or if you guessed where the brush was from before I showed you. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.